Hello guys, today I want to show you how I make Orbeez. Now how cute is this? Now we're gonna open it. Come on, take it back.
Spoon.
First of all, we're gonna open this. We open this. Then we remove this. Then you put the key. Then you throw water.
Wait. خلاص enough. Wow. واو
شفت واحدة أوربيا. طلع الأوربيا. ماما أخذنا هلا اليوم أخذنا.
Oh, the Orbeez are still there.
Then we throw the water.
Oh no, wait. Let me see.
إيش
How
اسمها
cute is
ماما؟
this?
شوفي إيش اسمها.
Yeah.
شوفي شو اسمها. Hi, Mama, which one is this?
You tell me.
Pet. This is Pet. Here is her name. Now,
Which one is Pep?
here is Pet.
Pep.
Now, we put on this. Then
We take off Pep.
we take off Pet.
Take it off.
Then we put it here. Then you open this.
We can see the Orbeez again.
Now we can see the Orbeez again. Then we put her. That's very cute, Pet. Her is very cute. I love her. but she's a little fine. I don't know.
She has
why.
2 wings.
Yeah, she has 2 wings.
Show us the wings.
Here's her. Look.
Show me.
You can turn her around. ماما هلا دوري أنا أحكي. You can turn it around, turn it. If you want it, you can turn it. Then, can it again. And it changes colors, maybe. Maybe you need to put it in the water. It changes colors.
She's swimming.
She's swimming. Let's see if something says. Yeah, the nose says colors. Let's see what is the color of her nose. Nope. He's saying black. Go see this.
So which one do you want to have next time?
I want to get this. I want to get this. What is it?
This one?
Yeah, this one. I want
Finny?
this. Yeah, penny.